Discover how to continue to achieve your revenue goals as real estate agents become less involved in the referral process to home inspectors. Lots of home inspectors get referrals from real estate agents, and that's great for as long as it lasts. However, as you may know, the real estate industry is in the middle of a market disruption. Artificial intelligence and virtual reality are doing the same things real estate agents have traditionally done at a much lower cost. And truth be told, automation is doing a better job of it. If a big chunk of your revenue comes from real estate agent referrals, this could create a serious revenue problem for you in the very near future. If your firm depends on real estate agents' referrals for business and they go away, partially or completely, how are you going to replace that lost revenue? Home inspectors that have seen this market disruption coming for some time have decided to divert a chunk of their marketing budget away from real estate agent marketing into going direct to the public for business. The home inspectors that are focusing on going direct to the public for business are future-proofing themselves, their family, and their business from the ongoing market disruption of the real estate industry. Not having to close the doors on your firm because you saw this situation coming is a smart business. If going direct to the public for business makes complete sense to you, but you don't know how to make it happen, then you are in luck. The Savvy Inspector is having a Reduce Your Dependence on Real Estate Agent Referrals workshop online, October 12th to 13th, 2018, and tickets are still available. So don't delay! Click on this link right now to get all of the details and purchase your ticket now.